Civil Service Exam Word Problem number 16. So the ratio of two numbers is 7:9. If their difference is 24, what is their sum? So choices 192, 40, 288, and 384. Okay, so post nyo muna and try sagutan bago panoodin ang aking solution. So ang question nga pala na ito ay nanggaling sa FB group na Civil Service Exam 2023 Community. Okay, sagutan na natin. So itong problem na ito, pwedeng gamitan natin ng variable na unknown. Pwede rin namang idiretso na natin yung computation na parang ano na lang, mentally na lang pwede nating isolve kasi ito. Okay, so yung unahin natin yung pwedeng mag-assign tayo ng variable. So ang sabi, the ratio of two numbers is 7:9. If their difference is 24, what is their sum? So ang hinahanap natin ay sum ng dalawang numbers. What is their sum? Okay? So given the ratio of two numbers is 7:9. So pag sinabi nating ratio ay 7:9, ibig sabihin may nakamultiply na number dito sa dalawang number na 7 at 9. May nakamultiply na constant na number, magkaparehas na number. Okay, so sabi their difference is 24. Okay, so pwede tayong mag-assign ng variable, yung constant of proportionality. So, assign tayo ng variable na yon. So, let's say, ang smaller number natin, so 7, i-multiply natin sa constant, let's say x yon. Okay? So, 7x, ito yung smaller number natin. Okay? And then 9x, so syempre, ito yung bigger number. Okay, so ngayon buuin natin ang ating equation. Sabi, their difference is 24. Okay, so syempre, mauuna dapat yung bigger number. So we have 9x minus 7x equals, so difference daw nila ay 24. Okay, so ang hinahanap natin, what is their sum? So ang sum ay 7x plus so ang hinahanap natin, 7x plus 9x. So ito yung hinahanap, pwede pala natin i-combine 7x plus 9x, that is equal to 16x. Okay? So 16x ang kailangan nating isolve dito. So yun kasi yung sum na hinahanap natin. Okay, so first kailangan nating isolve ang value muna ng x. So 9x minus 7x, so this will be equal to 2x, and then equals 24. And then solve for x, divide both sides by 2. Okay, so divide both sides by 2, so therefore x is equal to 12. And then, so to solve for 16x, ito yung sum nila, 16x. So multiply lang natin, 16 times the value of x is 12. Okay, so ito na yung sum nila, 16 times 12. So multiply lang natin ito, multiply lang natin 16 times 12. Okay, so 2 times 6, we have 12, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, so we have 3. And then 1 plus 6, 1 times 6, so we have 6. 1 times 1, we have 1. So therefore, the correct answer is bring down 2. 3 plus 6 is 9. Bring down 1, 192. Okay, so may shortcut nga pala tayo kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng ganitong parehas na 1 yung number. O parehas 11 to 19. So ang shortcut lang dyan, pag nagmumultiply, pwede na nating idiretso yan. 16 times 12, multiply lang natin itong una. 6 times 2, that is equal to 12. Okay? So carry yung 1. Tapos 16 plus 2. Ito lang, 16, i-add natin itong 2. 16 plus 2, that will be 18 plus 1, 19. Okay? So yun, diretso na yung answer natin, 192. So yun yung shortcut kapag magmumultiply tayo ng 1 para hindi na mahaba yung space na masakop natin. Tsaka mapabilis dahil sa civil service nga ay konti lang yung oras. Okay, so another solution dito, pwede na tayong hindi mag-assign ng x. So pwedeng idiretso na natin kasi ang sabi, the ratio of two numbers is 7:9. Their difference is 24. So isubtract lang natin ng diretso yan. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. So ang sabi, 24 daw ang kanilang difference. So ibig sabihin, isip tayo ng number na pag minultiply natin sa 2 ay magiging 24. Okay, so that is equal to 12. Okay? So tapos yung 12, ito yung nakamultiply. So what is their sum? So 12, i-multiply na natin siya sa 9 plus 7. Dahil yun nga yung ratio, 7:9, hinahanap natin ay sum. So okay, so same answer ang makuha natin, 12 times 9 plus 7. So that will be equal to 9 plus 7. So we have 16. So 12 times 16. So ito na yung answer. So same answer tayo of 192. So ito yung mabilisan na technique. Itong pangalawa, hindi na tayo nag-assign ng variable na x. Okay, so that's it. So I hope nagustuhan nyo ang explanation ko. Thank you for watching at kita-kita tayo sa mga susunod pang mga math reviewer para sa civil service exam. So bye-bye and God bless.